What is good, people? Welcome back to the channel. I am your host, Big Dre. As you don't know, I'm a footballer. My channel is all about crypto and metaverse, NFTs, just helping you make some money online. Now, a lot of you are probably wondering whether I've been. It's been about 6 days or something like that, 5-6 days since I made a video. But don't worry, but I've been here. Busy doing some other stuff, but throwing this video out now because a lot of things have happened. A lot of things have been happening in the market. But before we get into that, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, turn your notification bell on, and watch the video all the way to the end. It will be interesting, it will be entertaining, and you will learn something new. Now, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. You can lose all your money. You can make a lot of money. Anything is possible in the world of crypto. Now, guys, there's quite a few things that's been happening in the market. Now, in terms of my channel, I won't be making many long videos as it's taking too much of my time and I don't actually have the time to do it. I do have one video which is on my phone. I need to edit, so you'll get that video and it'll be probably longer than 5 minutes anyway, probably at 8 minutes. But in terms of the other videos, all these videos are going to be like 4 or 5 minutes. I'm just going to be straight with you guys. Alright, so the Fed meeting, I told you guys the Fed meeting will be happening in March, and until that meeting happens, you don't really want to invest. Just keep just stay on the sidelines and keep an eye out. Now, some of the things that have happened. So look, they've increased interest rates by 25 basis points. Now, if you're wondering what that means, I'm going to put all these links in the description, by the way. So basis points refers to a common unit of measurement for interest rates and other percentages in finance. So 1 basis point is equal to 1/100th of 1%, or 0.01%, or 0.0001. Okay, anyway, the link will be in there, so if you want to read a bit more of it, you can. Now, as you guys see, what I'm saying, a lot of things happen. Once this happened, the market did raise because the market price of Bitcoin did actually go up. And if you're wondering why, that's because it was already speculated. Yeah, the forecast was they would increase interest rates roughly by this much, and they did. So what we call it is being priced into the market. So because they did exactly what they said they were going to do, interest rates went along with it. Also, another thing that happened, Ukraine legalized cryptocurrency. Obviously, because they was receiving a lot of donations because of the war with Russia and all that sort of stuff. But anyway, that was another thing that happened. Ukraine legalized cryptocurrency. That also helped a little bit, made it look quite bullish. Another thing that's happened, EU regulators warn that you have to be ready to lose all your money if you invest in crypto. And I'm sure that some of these regulators actually have crypto wallets themselves. I'm sure of it. They have cold wallets. For those of you who wonder what a cold wallet is, it's basically just a wallet that's not on a server. So it's your own private wallet. Let's just say it as that. Alright, so there we go, guys. I'll leave all of these things here because I said this is just a quick update. I'll leave all these things here for you to have a look at. So even though Bitcoin's price is going up, regulators still don't like it because it's not regulated. And when they say it's not regulated, it means they're not getting their share. Yeah, they're not getting their share of dosh. Now, that's pretty much it for this video. Just wanted to show you what's been happening. But there's two things I want to talk to you about, actually. So one is metaverse. There's 2 different metaverses I'm going to talk to you about. I'm going to do it in the next video. And then also, one of the projects I'm very bullish on, which is Bitcoin Cash, is doing very well. It's doing very well. I told you about Bitcoin Cash before, and I mentioned it in my last video. Yeah, and as you don't see, hopefully, you bought a few shares in it, a few coins, and you see Bitcoin Cash is going up. Now, Bitcoin Cash is not owned by Bitcoin, for you that don't know, but I'll probably do a video about Bitcoin Cash anyway. Anyway, guys, it's been a quick video. Make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe. It's been your boy, Big Dre. Remember, it's in the sauce. Just buy the dip.